And the phenomena, of black culture is that we are just seeing this beast-like behavior in the black psyche. Killing babies, shooting people 15, 16 times, cutting folks' throat and then shooting them, 30, 40, 50 years ago, you didn't hear that about black folks. This energy is tapping on a deeper level of the dark side of the psyche. And those who yield to it have no control. It's in all of us. The beast that was, the beast that is and was and yet is not, is the subconscious of all of us that attaches itself to the ego. There is no reality in nature for each of our egos. We build these over a period of years, and we take on this performance of this ego. But it's not real in nature. And when you start spiritualizing yourself, the ego knows it's about to die, and it starts doing stuff to keep you from meditating, to keep you from transforming yourself. You see? And that's when you're sitting in, I like to mention sitting in the living room by yourself, nobody else home, quiet, and you start smelling gas, and you ain't even got a gas stove. Is there somebody at the door? You hear a creak, That's the subconscious trying to get you out of that chair. Because it's designed to keep you down here. Its work is on this plane. This is where the ego has a reality. It doesn't have any reality in the spirit. That's why most people are frightened when they have their first spiritual experience. The ego doesn't know where it's going. So it scares you. Oh, it's the devil, you're going to die. Anything to keep you on the three-dimensional plane. That's the beast that you have to deal with. That's the one that will make you lose your job, your man, your woman, your money, your clothes. The ego. Attached to the subconscious mind. Most people are shot, beat up, killed. The brother who turned on this brother with a wrench day before yesterday, it's something that brother said. And the way he said it, that ain't coming across the news. And I'm really wondering if that's cancer. This brother's face showed all these emotions, even after the trial. And he didn't plead guilty or innocent. No contest, he didn't plead anything. But his emotion is very heavy on his face, But it's something he said. And this saying to the ego is what punctures it. See? Striking the ego. The ego will fight, man. In a minute.